I made some progress. Right now the input's 110 milliamps and I have a 3.5 run cap. And what I've done is I'm not using the booster. And what I've done is I have two of these modified microwave oven transformers. And I ran the high voltage side in parallel to the run cap. And then the low voltage side in series. And what's nice is when I do that with the two low voltage sides in series, I get, before it goes into the battery, 14.5 volts, which is pretty good. Just happens to be what those two low voltage sides in series comes out to be. And here's the current going into the battery, which is pretty good, not so bad. While the current going into the rotoverter is 110. However, this is 120 volts and 110. Now, look at this. I take this 5 UF cap and I'm going to put it in parallel to the run cap so that we will have 8.5 UF. Do it change? The tone changed. It sounds smoother. Now we have 280 milliamps input instead of 110 input. And look at this. We have 800 milliamps going into this battery to charge it at 14.5 volts. That is enough to run one of these stat power inverters and feed another motor, or feed this motor back and loop it. However, that 0.28 is a little bit high, quite a bit high. But it's better than yesterday, because I was thinking I gotta have some good amps going into this battery if I'm gonna run the inverter off this battery and pump it back in. So now I got good amps. And just to recap, high voltage sides of the microwave oven transformer are in parallel. The low voltage sides of the two transformers are in series. And it gives me 14.5 volts to charge the battery. Let's try a 4 instead of a 5. Added on to the 3.5, so this would be 7.5. That drops that down there, and drop this down. Let's try an 8. So this will be 11.5 UF for the cap. This is going to be a lot. Ooh. Not that much more. A lot more here. I don't know if that's any good. Let's try a 2. Now I'm going to have 5.5 US to the run cap. That's what's going into the battery at 14.5 volts. This is what's feeding the rotor. I wonder what the phase shift looks like going into the rotor. Have to scope it. So this is pretty good progress. Okay, thanks for watching.